Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
So, can I turn the light on, Mum?
Andrew!
Yeah. I got it. I got it. I got it. Look at my head.
Andrew.
Look. I know, yeah.
Andrew, why did you
There's one
do
way you can
that
make yourself double.
Andrew,
Yeah.
why did you do? I know Blake grabbed it, but that's not the point. We have just had. Andrew, that is 300 or something.
I look like a fat. Look at me, I have an afro.
I know you do.
Wait. Okay.
Andrew, next time can you put it on there?
Wait. It makes you look like a fat kid. You look like. We should make a music video like this. Okay, look all fat. Look at my hair. I look like a chicken's butt or something. Look at it. Look at the chicken. Oh, that's classy. We could like pretend you're twins. Look.
It's all about sense. Look, you can change your mind at any point.
Andrew, will you please get it from where it is?
What?
Please, it's
Oh.
The day you graduate.
Hey, it's so paranoid.
No, excuse me. This was £100 and odd and it doesn't work anymore. It's been in the washing machine.
I know.
Right, everything we seem to have in this house seems to get broken or something happens to them. That's why
You look like
I'm
Michael
paranoid.
Jackson. Time to watch it.